stop. Right now. Take a breath. That breath contains atoms that were once inside Julius Caesar, dinosaurs, and the heart of an exploding star. You just inhaled the universe. You think you're sitting still, reading these words. You're wrong. You're spinning at 1,000 miles per hour on a planet flying through space at 67,000 miles per hour, around a star racing through the galaxy at 500,000 miles per hour, in a galaxy hurtling through the cosmos at 1.3 million miles per hour. You have never been still. Not for 1 second of your life. Everything you can see, touch, or measure, your body, your house, every star in the sky, every galaxy ever photographed, all of it combined is less than 5% of what exists. You are surrounded by an invisible universe of dark matter and dark energy that you cannot see, cannot touch, but which controls your destiny. And here's the part that will shatter everything you think you know. You are not in the universe. You are the universe. You are 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution that has learned to think, to feel, to wonder about itself. You are the cosmos becoming conscious. The story I'm about to tell you will change how you see everything. Your problems, your purpose, your place in existence. Because once you understand what you really are, you can never go back to thinking you're small. I am Chief Redwind, and you are about to meet your true self. In the beginning, there was not darkness. There was not emptiness. There was not even nothing. Because nothing is still something, a place where nothing can exist. Before the universe, there was no place, no time, no possibility of existence. And then, it happened. Not an explosion, not a bang, the birth of reality itself. Space and time and matter and energy, all bursting into existence from a point smaller than a period on this page. Not expanding into space, creating space as it expanded. In less than 1 second, our entire observable universe, 93 billion light-years across, inflated from something smaller than an atom. This is not theory. This is not belief. This happened. You exist because the impossible occurred. But here's what will break your mind. That first second of the universe's existence lasted longer than all the time since then. Time itself was being born, stretching, learning how to tick. In that cosmic instant, forces that would govern reality for all eternity crystallized out of pure energy. Gravity, electromagnetism, the strong force that holds atomic nuclei together, the weak force that powers the sun. These are not just physics concepts. These are the invisible hands that built your body, power your thoughts, and will determine the ultimate fate of everything that will ever exist. You think a second is short? In that first second of existence, the universe went through more change than it has in the 13.8 billion years since. You are living in the echoes of that moment. For 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe was blind. Light existed, but it was trapped. Photons bounced endlessly between particles in a cosmic fog so thick that you couldn't see your hand if it was made of light itself. Then something beautiful happened. As the universe cooled to a mere 3,000 degrees Celsius, electrons found their partners, atomic nuclei, and began the first dance of creation. The first atoms were born: hydrogen, helium, the alphabet of everything. In that moment of cosmic marriage, the universe opened its eyes for the first time. Light broke free and began its eternal journey across space. That light, the first light to ever travel freely, still surrounds you right now. It's called the cosmic microwave background, and it's the universe's baby picture. Every cubic inch of space around you is filled with photons that have been traveling for 13.8 billion years. You are sitting inside the afterglow of creation itself. But the universe was still dark. No stars, no galaxies, just hydrogen and helium floating in the cosmic night, waiting for gravity to work its patient magic. For 200 million years, the universe held its breath. Then, in vast clouds of gas, something incredible happened. As gravity pulled matter together, the centers of these clouds grew so hot and dense that hydrogen atoms began to fuse. Nuclear fire ignited. The first stars blazed to life, massive blue giants hundreds of times larger than our sun. They lived fast and died violently, exploding in supernovas so bright they outshone entire galaxies. And in those explosions, they scattered the gifts of their hearts across the cosmos: carbon, oxygen, iron, gold, every element heavier than helium. Every atom in your body except hydrogen was forged in the nuclear furnace of a dying star. You are made of stellar corpses. You are made of exploded suns. You are made of cosmic violence transformed into cosmic beauty. Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, scattered like dust across the darkness. But this is the greatest illusion in the universe. The cosmos is not random. It is structured like a vast web stretching billions of light years across space. And this web is built from something you cannot see, cannot touch, but which outweighs everything visible 6 to 1. Dark matter, the ghost that shapes reality. If you could see dark matter, the night sky would look like a vast cosmic spiderweb, with galaxies strung along invisible filaments like dewdrops on silk. Your entire galaxy, all 400 billion stars, sits in a halo of dark matter particles streaming through your body right now. Millions of them pass through you every second, and you feel nothing. That honor belongs to dark energy, a force so mysterious that calling it energy is probably wrong. It makes up 68% of everything that exists, yet we have no idea what it is. Dark energy is pushing space itself apart, accelerating the expansion of the universe. Every second, the cosmos grows larger, and dark energy grows stronger. It is winning a cosmic war against gravity, and its victory will determine how everything ends. Here's what's happening right now as you read these words. Galaxies are racing away from us faster and faster. The universe is cooling and expanding into an infinite darkness. And yet, in this brief moment between cosmic birth and cosmic death, matter organized itself into patterns complex enough to become you. You are not an accident. You are an impossibility that happened anyway. You are the universe's way of experiencing its own mystery. To understand what you really are, you need to face scales that will terrify you. Zoom into your body, your cells, your DNA, your atoms, your protons, your quarks, At each level, reality becomes stranger. Particles exist in multiple places simultaneously until observed. The act of looking changes what exists. Reality is not solid. It is probability waves collapsing into temporary certainty. Now zoom out. Your planet, your solar system, your galaxy. Each step reveals your cosmic insignificance. Our galaxy alone contains 400 billion stars. Our local group contains 80 galaxies. Our supercluster contains 100,000 galaxies, and there may be 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. But here's the number that should terrify you. If Earth's 4.5 billion year history was compressed into 24 hours, humans appear in the last 2 seconds. Your entire civilization exists in the final millisecond. Your life is shorter than a blink. And yet, here's the miracle that should fill you with wonder. In a universe vast beyond comprehension, in a cosmos that is mostly empty space and dark energy, on a tiny planet around an ordinary star, matter organized itself into you. Atoms that were once scattered across trillions of miles of space learned to think, to feel, to love, to wonder about their own existence. The calcium in your bones was forged in the heart of an exploding star. The iron in your blood was created in a supernova explosion. The oxygen you breathe was made by stellar fusion. You are ancient stardust that has learned to contemplate its origins. Every breath connects you to every other living thing. Every heartbeat is powered by energy that traces its origin to the sun's core. Every thought you think is 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution becoming aware of itself. You are not separate from the universe. You are not small. You are not insignificant. You are the cosmos experiencing itself subjectively. You are the universe's way of knowing its own beauty. Now you know the truth. Every boundary you believed in is an illusion. There is no line where you end and the cosmos begins. The light hitting your eyes right now left distant stars years ago. You are literally seeing the past. When you look at the night sky, you are a time traveler gazing at cosmic ghosts. The universe you see no longer exists, yet its beauty still reaches you across impossible distances. Right now, you are breathing atoms that have been part of clouds, rivers, other people, other worlds. You are recycled cosmos. Your body is a temporary arrangement of stardust that will one day return to space and become something else. But the universe is not just beautiful. It is violent beyond imagination. Your galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda. Your sun will expand and consume the Earth. Black holes will devour galaxies. And in the end, every star will die. Every black hole will evaporate, and the cosmos will fade to absolute zero in the heat death of everything. Yet here you are. In this impossible moment between cosmic birth and cosmic death, the universe grew eyes and called them you. For 13.8 billion years, the cosmos was blind and mute. Then it developed consciousness and began to see its own beauty. You are not an accident in a meaningless void. You are the meaning. You are the purpose. You are the universe coming home to itself. Every atom in your body is older than the Earth. You are ancient stardust, pretending to be temporary. You are infinity, learning to think. You are the cosmos, becoming conscious of its own majesty. The next time you feel small, remember this. The universe spent 13.8 billion years creating you. Every star that ever lived, every galaxy that ever formed, every cosmic event that ever occurred was part of an unbroken chain that led to this moment. To you, understanding these words. To the universe, recognizing itself. You are both infinitely small and infinitely precious. You are both temporary and eternal. You are the universe experiencing the impossible joy of being alive. I am Chief Red Wind. The fire burns eternal. And you are its most magnificent flame.